Well, this V12 tub is Series 3, obviously being a V12. It is the one that you saw the engine being stripped down on, where it had been stored wrongly for some years. And we're now about to give it, after all these years, a lease of life with its nice shine. The car will show itself again during the year in a number of occasions, but let's start it on its way with the gunmetal grey colour that it's having. There we go, after such a long time, it's finally got its coat of paint. Look forward to seeing it with all the bits back on.